Hey beauty gems, in this video I am doing the two-strand twist with the side tribal Fulani braids. As you can see, I've already started with two-strand twist on many of these different rows. I just didn't want to show you guys a repetitive motion of me doing it 1,001 times because these are small two-strand twists. I am not doing big parts. I am using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I love this. I actually mixed it with some oils like tea tree, black castor oil. I also put in some of the hair milk from another brand, and I really like the consistency of this product. But as you can see right here, I am doing two-strand twist. And with these twists, I am not twisting as I twist like I usually do with like synthetic hair when it comes to like styles like Marley twist or island twist. I am just twisting and turning to my right. So if you want to have some bouncy twists like this, you have to twist to your right. Usually I'll start off with a braid, then a twist, but because eventually we'll turn this into um a twist out, I didn't want to braid at the root. This style is really cute and it's really low maintenance. You just have to tie it up at night. But yeah, it's pretty simple and easy to do. If you want to see a full video of two-strand twists from the beginning to the end as far as in a person's head, you can check out my video. I believe I have it from the beginning to the end of with natural twists of the Fulani hairstyle. I'll have that in the corner right so you guys can see or click on that when you want to. It'll be in the right hand section and also in the description box. But yeah, I really love these twists because it's really juicy and moisturized. I didn't use any braiding gel for the most part when it came to parting. I mean, I did, but I didn't. As you guys know, I do not like to use a lot of braiding gel because it just changes the texture in everything of the person's head. It makes it more sleek and straight. And with these twists, you do not want a sleek and straight type of situation happening because the you want the twist to be bouncy. So if I was to use braiding gel, it will make these twists a lot more stiff, no bounce, and they'll look more straight. So yeah, as you can see, like the initial part, like parting the row, I did use probably a very little amount of braiding gel just to clean up the part. But as you guys know, I just use braiding gel to clean parts. I don't really use it for a sleek situation because I've been a braiding for a long time, so I know how to make it look sleek. But certain hairstyles do tend to need more product, which I do have hairstyles like that. But with this particular hairstyle, you do not need braiding gel and a whole lot of product. If you are going to use a whole lot of product, use a whole lot of that curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture or some type of curling type of hair. I know a lot of like Carol's Daughter and different brands for natural hairstyles use that. I am doing her hair on blown out kind of or stretched hair. So this it's not as much shrinkage as it would normally be, but this is pretty much how it is looking. You see I'm just twisting. It's very easy to do. Just keep twisting, keep twisting. I don't really twist the ends, but I kind of do at the end as far as like twisting around my finger. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting. I am going to be posting more natural looking hairstyles. So if you want to see more natural hairstyles, just leave a comment of like a red heart or something like that. Let me know that you want to see more content of natural hairstyles on 4C, 4B, 4A, just curly textured hair. I do want to say when you are doing this hairstyle, you make sure you have a you know, wide tooth comb or some type of comb once you get to the ends, because you don't want the twist. You'll see me combing it out. You don't want the twist to get tangled. So you want to make sure as you're twisting, there's no tangled hair being twisted. So I do want to put that out there. And you see, I'm just starting off a new twist. I did speed it up a bit so the process will go a lot faster. But yeah, this is pretty much the hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle because it's just very low maintenance. Get up and go. You literally tie it up and then you're done. But as you can see right here, I am doing cornrows going into the side where the 2-strand twist is. I am doing that because I want these cornrows to fall going a certain way. I was going to do 2-strand twists all the way up to the part where I do have the side Fulani tribal look, but I was just like, no, I want it to lay flat. I don't really want a puffy look coming from the cornrow. So I decided to do small cornrows going into the twists that are already done. And that's pretty much what you're seeing me do right here. Right here, you see me starting the cornrow of the actual side tribal Fulani style. I had it pre-mapped out. I did that off camera, but you'll just see like how I parted it. Some parts I am going to part on camera, but as you can see right here, I am just cornrowing it back. Make sure you're not doing it too tight because it can create bumps. So just be conscious of that. I always try to be super conscious of that when I'm doing my daughter's hair or anyone's hair, because I don't want any hair to be pulled out. But I do know myself, just from dealing with my clients, say like, girl, you braid a little bit tighter when it's on the scalp. So I try to be conscious and make sure that I'm not doing that. And as you can see, once I get done with the cornrow, I just go back into the 2-strand twist. Like I said, you do want to make sure you comb out and detangle the twist as you go. You do not want tangled twist. When it comes to using a product, I just use it as I go. I want it to be smooth as I twist, so you'll see me just twisting in more of the curl enhancing smoothie. Again, everything that I used, I will have in the description below, and you can go purchase it. All of these products I recommend, obviously, or I would not be using them. These are products that I use on just hair, like these hair products are typically what I use when I do natural hairstyles or any hairstyle. So always look in the description box of my video to see what I use on this hairstyle or any hairstyle that I do. Right here, I am adding in some braid accessories. I love braid accessories. I really want to bring them back. I seen a lot of girls rocking these a couple years ago before COVID, and then it just stopped. So I'm like, we're gonna bring it back, and I'm gonna start adding more accessories and more of my hairstyles. You can literally get all of these accessories off Amazon or your local beauty supply store. And yeah. But I just love it, and you'll see me kind of playing around with it, redoing it, because your girl has to make sure it's everything but what it needs to be. So you'll see me take it out, put it back in, make sure it's not super tight, and you're going to just see me using my latch hook to put in this string. put in the clamps, I want to make sure I oil my daughter's hair, because sometimes those clamps can look a little dull after you oil it. I don't know what that's about. So I like to go in and oil it before I add in the clamps. So that's what you see me doing right now. I'm just oiling her scalp. Yes, her scalp is very moisturized and juicy, but I just want to make sure that I treat her scalp and that we can go a couple days. We are in our winter months, and I want to make sure that she doesn't have a dry scalp. So you see me going in with some grease, and I'm just parting it off, and I'm just oiling her scalp. When it comes to braid accessories like clamps, it's really up to you on the color. You can add shells. You can pretty much do anything when it comes to this particular hairstyle as far as accessories. You can add more string. She chose these colors of gold and blue, but like I said, you can choose any color shells, any color clamps, and you just put them on there. Obviously, if you untwist this, you can and have it as a twist out, you have to take the clamps off. But yeah, and you just see I'm just adding it in, and we're gonna rock this for about a week, and then I'm gonna do the twist out, then I'll retwist it, and this hairstyle should last about 2 to 3 weeks. It all depends on how you keep up with it. We are tying it down every night, wearing shower cap when bathing, and here's the finished product. I hope you really like this video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, leave me a heart if you want to see more content, and click the next video. Bye.